Yes, Cove is as good as SimpliSafe, for the most part. SimpliSafe comes out ahead of Cove for its equipment selection, including a smart lock you won't find with Cove. But if you look beyond the equipment, both brands kind of seem like clones. While there are advantages specific to each of these DIY security systems, SimpliSafe wins thanks to its equipment selection that's just a touch more tempting than Cove's. But Cove has innovative monitoring tools like Rapid SOS and a lifetime warranty on its top-tier plan. Beyond those few standout items, though, these systems are very similar when it comes to core features and costs. Yep, it's possible for a Cove security system to be hacked. But so can virtually all home security systems if you don't take some basic precautions. Basically, if it's connected to the internet, it's vulnerable to being hacked. Make sure you keep all your hardware and firmware updated. Use complicated passwords or passphrases to protect your home Wi-Fi network and your home security system. And take advantage of all the encryption and firewall settings available on your wireless router and all the equipment that's connected to it. Nope, Cove Home Security requires a monitoring plan. If you're looking for a system that you can monitor yourself, you'll do better with a brand like Scout, Abode, or Wise.